Hello, English-speaking world, all the German learners, I greet you. Today we'll be looking at the preposition wegen, which means because of. It is a genitive preposition. For example, wegen des Regens, because of the rain. Wegen der Beschwerden, because of the complaints. However, many people also use it with the dative case. This is an improper and colloquial method, but it is very popular when talking, especially to friends and family. Don't use it in a polite or formal situation though. For example, wegen dem Stress, because of the stress. Wegen diesem Scheiß, because of this crap. If you've seen my tutorial on prepositions, this is nothing new to you. But this preposition has its own pronominal adverb when it comes in combination with a personal pronoun. But before I show you this, let's look at the colloquial dative method first. It is also very popular and frequently used in casual conversations. Wegen mir, because of me. Wegen dir, because of you. Wegen uns, because of us, and so on. Very simple and easy to use, right? But this is not the proper way of saying it actually. The correct form is, like I said, a pronominal adverb, and it is built by using the possessive articles, adding et and then wegen. For example, mein plus et plus wegen is meinetwegen. Dein plus et plus wegen is deinetwegen, and so on. Seinetwegen, ihretwegen, unseretwegen, euretwegen, ihretwegen. So simply replace those colloquial wegen mir or wegen dir and so on with the proper meinetwegen, deinetwegen, and so on to sound more sophisticated when you need to. But that's not all. These pronominal adverbs have two more meanings to them. So the first meaning is simply because of the respective person. For example, deinetwegen kommen wir zu spät. Because of you, we will be late. Ich lerne ihretwegen Deutsch. I'm learning German because of her. Sie können unseretwegen nicht losfliegen. They cannot take off because of us. Mach dir meinetwegen keine Sorgen. Don't worry about me. Literally, because of me. The second meaning is for someone. So in order to do something good for the respective person. For example, ich bleibe ihretwegen noch wach. I will stay awake for her sake. Sie haben meinetwegen extra mein Lieblingsgericht gemacht. They have cooked my favorite dish especially for me. Deinetwegen werde ich nicht darüber sprechen. For your sake I will not talk about it. And then there's a third meaning, but it's a bit specific. It is used to express that you are willing to accept, tolerate, or take part in a suggested action, even though it is not your will to do so. You consent to it because it is someone else's wish or in the interest of someone else. For example, meinetwegen können wir losgehen. As far as I'm concerned, we can leave. Wir können seinetwegen das Auto haben. He doesn't mind it. We may have the car, meaning we can use the car. Meinetwegen kannst du ihn einladen. Fine, you can invite him. The third meaning is also often used as an interjection. Meinetwegen, meaning alright, okay, fine, go ahead and do it. There is an alternative way of saying meinetwegen in this third meaning, and that is the also popular von mir aus. They can be used interchangingly. Von mir aus können wir losgehen. As far as I'm concerned, we can leave. Von mir aus kannst du ihn einladen. Fine, you can invite him. Von mir aus. Alright, okay, fine. Go ahead and do it. Let's repeat what we've learned. The preposition wegen is officially used with the genitive, which sounds formal and proper. It is informally used with the dative case a lot. This leads to two ways of combining it with personal pronouns. The informal way is just wegen plus the personal pronouns in the dative case. The formal and proper way of saying it has its own form, which is built combining the respective possessive article et and wegen. The forms are meinetwegen, deinetwegen, seinetwegen, ihretwegen, unseretwegen, euretwegen, ihretwegen. These pronominal adverbs have three meanings. Number 1, because of someone. Number 2, for someone, for someone's sake. Number 3, having someone's approval to do something. Instead of meinetwegen, in a sense of the third meaning, you can also say von mir aus. Bonus info. Wegen normally means because of, but it can also mean regarding. For example, wir möchten Sie wegen Ihres Vorschlags noch einmal sprechen. We want to talk to you again regarding your suggestion. Ah, wegen der Lieferung. Die ist vor 10 Minuten gekommen. Ah, regarding the delivery. That has just arrived 10 minutes ago. You can also say von wegen, von being the preposition of the verb sprechen, so it means about, and wegen meaning regarding. So together, about or regarding something. And this is usually just followed by a noun, often without an article. For example, sagte irgendwas von wegen einer Verspätung. He said something about a delay. Ach, hier, von wegen Bestellung. Wir brauchen noch ein paar Schachteln. Ah, hey, regarding that order, we also need some boxes. Von wegen sounds slightly casual, so you shouldn't use it with your boss or a client or someone above you. Von wegen also has another meaning when it is used as an interjection. If you just say von wegen in an upset or angry tone, then it means no way, this is not gonna happen, or I will not allow that. Usually when someone has a certain plan or intention or suggestion which is met with strong disapproval by the speaker. For example, ich esse einfach den Kuchen, der im Kühlschrank steht. Von wegen. I'll just eat the cake that is in the fridge. Oh no, you won't. Wenn keiner fragt, behalte ich einfach das Geld. Ja, von wegen. If no one asks, I'll just keep the money. Yeah, definitely not. Kannst du für mich nachher den ganzen Müll entsorgen? Von wegen. Can you clean up the whole trash afterwards instead of me? No way. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments and I will try to answer them. Like and share this video und vielen Dank für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.